nursery. They might have smaller plants because those are new things that are being planted right now. So we do have a lot of herbs. Over here we have some Italian oregano. We also have rosemary. Our gardeners, they're out here every single day watering, cutting, taking care of these plants to make them look so beautiful and continue to grow and give us produce. Up here, these are actually Meyer lemon trees. So I know they're green right now. They haven't turned yet, but they will eventually. Culture balls of basil right now in the garden as well. Let's see, over here, if you guys want to come and just kind of rub your fingers on to take a little piece off as well. This is spinach. Has anyone ever seen this before?
Yes.
So, who said that? Does someone have it?
In San Diego, our neighbor, her whole front yard, she has all of it. Yeah.
Oh, that's so great. Yeah, it obviously has the vine has a beautiful color to it. When you bite into it, have you guys had okra, you know, like the gelatinous effect? Kind of has that when you start chewing into it. This is similar to your Italian basil that we have normally, like that you buy in the grocery stores. It's a little bit, have you guys seen this before?
Yeah.
What is this?
Amaranth.
Amaranth. Do we know what that is? So it's a type of ancient grain, kind of like quinoa.
Yeah.
It's actually super expensive. And do we know why it's expensive? Okay, so this is the plant. And if you actually crumble it, I'm going to take out the flowers. If you guys come look, this little tiny grain right there, that's amaranth.